Morning, it's Saturday and I've just opened up, nobody's here yet, so it's nice and quiet and peaceful. The lull, as they say. Anyway, let's have a look round. So, workshop is empty today, empty on a Saturday, so we've got quite a few machines in for service, repairing, etc. Let's see, got PRs ready to be returned from repair. I've got a 1055 to deliver this week to a lady in Biggleswade, home of the late Richard Walker. Got another 680, that's a 6 needle, that's a 10 needle embroidery. That's the 6 needle, that one's going local. Showroom's ready for action, ready to go. All the machines are waiting. People to come in and have a look, have a demo, have a look at a cabinet, see if it will fit in the bedroom that the son has vacated. Upstairs, we've got a class on today. We do classes nearly every Saturday with Alison from the Ministry of Craft, always very popular. So again, everything's quiet for the moment, and I've just opened up the classroom, got the lights on, machines are ready for people to come in today. I think it's a full class today. I'm not sure what the lesson is because there are so many that Alison does, but anyway, there you are. Let's have a look around here. Quilt fabrics, we got a few more in the other day, girls stocked up, we need some more. General fabrics, general dress and craft fabrics. So that's about it. I'm going to open up the shutters, put the kettle on and stand by for action. See you later.